This video will help you work with credit notes in Kanak Books. It will show you how to create or update credit notes, apply credit note on an invoice and perform different actions with it. Select the Credit Notes option from the drawer to move to its list view. Click on New Credit Note button to move to the credit note form. Fill in the mandatory fields highlighted in red. Credit notes are applied on invoices, so it is mandatory to select an invoice from the given list. Also, select a reason for the creation of credit note. You can add items from the item table. Hit the Save as Draft button to save the credit note. The split screen shows the newly created credit note and its details. Click the Edit icon to open the credit note for editing. Make any changes and hit the Save as Open button to update the credit note and mark it as open. You can see that the status has changed to open. Click the down arrow near the Display Journals section to view the journal entries. Click the PDF icon to download the credit note as a PDF. This will open the document in a new tab. Click the Print icon to open the document for printing in the current tab. Click the Mail icon to quickly move to the email editor screen. Fill from address in the field titled Reply to. Provide to address in the field titled Send to. The email body will be pre-filled with some content by default. This includes the public link for the credit note. Make any other changes using the editor if needed. Hit the Send button to send the mail to the customer. Click the Share icon and select Via Public Link option to get a publicly accessible link for the credit note. You can try copying the link from the text box and pasting in a new tab to see if it works. Select Via WhatsApp option to share the credit note via WhatsApp. The credit note will be shared to the customer's mobile number if it exists. You may edit the message body if needed. Click on the associated invoice number to open the invoice for viewing. Now, when you click the Apply Now link near the Credits Available label, you will be able to find the newly created credit note listed in the table. Click the More icon from the top right corner and select Mark as Void option to mark the credit note as void. Click the plus icon from the left-hand side to quickly move to credit note form. Fill in the details and create a new credit note. When in draft state, select Mark as Open option to mark the credit note as open. Select the Delete option, and then confirm the corresponding dialog to delete the credit note. Let's create a new credit note and save it as open. Select Apply to Invoice option to open the dialog for applying credits to invoices. The dialog displays the list of invoices that you can apply credits on. It shows the invoice amount and balance. Available credit balance is displayed at the top right corner. Here it is 2000. Enter the amount to credit in the corresponding cell of the invoice, which you wish to apply to. The amount should not be more than the available credit balance. Click the Save button to apply the credits. Now, click the Invoices Credited tab to view the details of the invoices to which the credit note was applied. Let's apply the credit to one more invoice as we still have balance. Apply the full credit balance on the invoice and hit the Save button. Now you can see that the status of the credit note became closed. Click the invoice number to view its details. The applied credits can be found in Credits Applied panel in the invoice split screen. You can remove the applied credits by clicking the delete icon against the invoice and confirming the pop-up. When the credit note is in open state, you can also add refund by selecting the refund option. Enter the amount to refund in the given form. The balance is displayed in red color. Fill the mandatory fields and hit the Save button to add the refund. Details of the refunds can be viewed in the Refund History tab. Click the Edit icon to edit the refund. Make the changes and hit the Save button to complete the update. As long as there is sufficient balance, you may add any number of refunds. Select Clone option to create a copy of the selected credit note. This will take you to the credit note form with fields pre-filled with that of the cloned credit note. While in List View, use the Filter menu on the left-hand side to filter the credit notes by different status. Click the gear icon and select Export option to export the credit notes in CSV format. Click the Here link to download file to your machine. Select Import option to open the respective import screen. Click the Preferences option from the drop-down to move to the Credit Note Preferences screen.